Dinosaurs, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at the lake. Woo! And you wanted to see another video? Actually, no, this is going to be my first video uploaded, but I have went to the lake. I have recorded myself, not posted on YouTube, because I didn't want to show you guys the boring exploring. But look at that. There, I need to go to my dad. Yes, Dad! Yeah, oh my god. Yeah.
What's up?
You guys, I'm back. Just had to move some shit. Right now, I'm just drinking some juice. Good juice this is, guys. You need to go find it. It's in a container. It's got some red liquid in it. I'm gonna get my narrator. Be right back. Narrator! What's up, other Riley? Explain what the warning is. Warning. This is not wine. Don't tempt to drink wine, or don't tempt to do... I mean, you can tempt camping, but you can't... Don't tempt to do some of the... I mean, if you want to, you can do some of this stuff, but only if you're above.
Right, see the keys again? I've lost them.
Right, so don't tempt to do the stuff, because I might light a fire, and usually I'm cracked out of that. I'm a fire master at my house. So, just, peace. But make sure you like and subscribe to Riley's YouTube channel. Narrator, out. Anyway, the narrator going back out. I'm just gonna chill here. I don't know what the narrator's doing there. What you doing? I'll be right back. What you doing? Stuff. Ah, cool. Yeah, peace. Oh, what's up, guys? I forgot he's in my head. Stupid. He's true. What are you doing in my head anyway? I'm camping in your head. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so basically wherever I go, he goes. So he's camping with his dad in the exact same caravan, but a lot futuristic. Yeah, he's a futuristic, but he wears the exact... But I control all the Rileys. I'm just joking. If your name is Riley, watch my YouTube channel. I want to be best. You're my best friend. But I mean, you guys are all my friends. But it doesn't matter, because you guys are cool and I like you guys. You guys should go subscribe to Typical Gamer, because I like him, good YouTuber, and go subscribe to KMK, which is Call Me Chris. She's good, but go subscribe to some YouTubers that spit smack about the vegan carrot, that vegan teacher. People that do that, dude, you guys are good, but going to go subscribe to Vin Woodley, like him. Be right back. I need to do some stuff. All I need to do is just stretch my freaking legs, because I'm going to be chillaxing right here. Let's get my pillow. This side, this is going to be my side. Dad, this is my side sofa. This is my sofa. This over here is my sofa.
Unlikely.
Huh?
Unlikely.
Okay, which sofa do you claim?
Both of them. You're sleeping outside.
I'm not sleeping outside, he's lying. I'm just sleeping in the main entrance. No, this is... I claim this sofa to be like my chill out sofa. Just my chill out sofa. You can sit next. My friends, only my friends sit next to me. Guys, since you're my friends, that's why you're sat there. I am going to do some doobies, because we just got here. My hands are red because I just freaking got the stuff I freaking put out there. That's all the stuff. 2 tables I didn't do, but most of the stuff I did. The trailer, Dad got the trailer out. I just pulled it, but most of this stuff, like we got bow and arrow. I did. Say it, Dad. Say hi to my fans.
Hello.
That's my dad. I think he's really cool.
fans.
They're called the dinosaurs.
Hi, fans.
They're called the dinosaurs. Oh my god. He doesn't get anything. I mean, still love him. He's my favorite dad. Dad, your phone's ringing, 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 ringing. Oh shit, he's taking a pee. Yeah, you can freaking hear, so I'm gonna close the door at the moment. This door. I'm gonna close this if I can close it. Behold, we are now in the chill out. We are in the chill out van. Whoop whoop. We're in the chill out zone, boys. I'm gonna angle you to a different position. So this is the caravan. We got the kitchen over here. We got the sofas right here. There's one here, one here. This is where my dad's gonna be sleeping. I'm gonna be sleeping somewhere over there. Yeah, I shut the door because I just wanted to show the viewers.
I want the door shut.
Huh?
I want the door shut.
This is the kitchen. That's the bathroom.
I want the door open.
That's the door. This is the pantry. For you Americans, it's got a pantry. For us, it's called cabinet. And that's the key place up there. That's the stuff place. And outside is my bedroom. Hey, yeah. And also outside is foxes, deer, crayfish in the lake, and also in the river, but mostly, and trout. We got trout. We got some normal fishes. Fishy, fishy. Dad, what fish do we have here?
Tench, carp,
Tench, we got carp,
roach,
trout,
trout,
crayfish.
crayfish,
That's it.
and
And
lake monsters.
he's lying. I mean.
You don't know, do you?
Exactly.
You
Yeah,
don't
we don't
know.
know. We don't know.
You don't know.
He's putting on some sandals. I'm just.
This is a really. I do think people are interested in what I'm doing.
Huh?
Do you think people are interested in what I'm doing?
No. I just called them sandals because I can. Just drinking what looks like wine. Young viewers are below the age of 17. I mean, whatever age drinks wine. Drink this stuff. This stuff looks like wine. You can pretend it's wine. I call this kid wine. I'll show you the carton. Carton's in here. Open the fridge. And that's the carton, boys. So, if you see that, that's what you should get. So you can say, Mom, I get myself some wine. And it's not wine. It's juice. Kid wine. Woo! Narrator, can you always drink kid wine, kids? Alright. Oh yeah, he will be going at the corner scene, and then I will be coming here. Because we are the exact same person, but he speaks different. Speak in the narrator's voice. Yo, what's up? Speak in Riley's voice. Yo, what's up? I'm probably not gonna actually use that as the narrator voice. Probably, I don't know. Probably, yo, what's up, bros? I'm the narrator. Probably not, actually. Hello. Yeah, hello. Hello. I'm on it. Hello. That's probably the stupidest one I've ever done. Cheese and beans. Cheese and beans? Cheese and beans. Cheese and beans. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Mommy. Oh, yeah, that's the narrated voice. A baby voice. Let's go. We found it. No, yo, narrator, talk. Mommy. Yeah. Yo, I'm the narrator. Alright, that's the narrated voice. The yo, I'm a narrator. I'm a fan. What you doing? You doing weird stuff? Trying to fix
Yeah,
the
I'm
thing?
fixing stuff.
Yeah, he's fixing stuff. He's trying to fix that window because it's broken. Yeah, he's fixing the window. There we go. I'm a little sweet. Try not to hit your head in the window.
Try not to hit your head against the wall.
I'm not going to hit my head on against the... What the hell? Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, 10 minutes ago, he just hit him, so he went... Bonk! It was so funny. I was like, you okay? Tomorrow... I mean, today we're going to set the crayfish trap. I'll show you where we set it. Boy, we are going to catch some crayfish. We're going to eat the crayfish. I'll show you. Tomorrow is when we're going to get the crayfish. More people will come around. And they're staying over 2 days. Well, more like 3 days, but they're arriving on the first day. They're arriving tomorrow. We've got Kite. There's another 10-year-old. Hopefully he's going to be here with me. And hopefully he's 10. But I don't care if he's not 10. If he's one above me, I'm fine. If he's 12, I'm fine. If he's a teenager, I'm be like, I'm staying here. I ain't doing it. I don't like teens. But if you're a teen watching this video, I like you because you watch my videos. Do. Right now I'm just listening to the cars standing up because I can. Moving back and forth, like my dog being weird, snooping around. Guys, this is the coolest thing. Walkie-talkies. We got some walkie-talkies because so this is base camp. Base camp because me and Dad might do some expeditions to try and go get some wood. We need walkie-talkies. So like saying hello. Can you hear me? On button. This is the lamp button. This is whatever. I don't know what these couple ones do. Oh, this is the to switch radios, but I'm gonna stay whatever radio it puts me on. See if they're the same radios and go. Alright guys, I'll give you some story why walkie-talkie. You never put them down like this unless it's upside down with the speaker here and nothing here, and probably like a small antenna right here because of the antenna has to go up so it can get the radio. Huh?
What?
You what?
What?
You said something. You said I'm in. Well, come in.
I said come in.
Well, there's freaking no batteries in here at the moment, so we can't do the come in when we're probably out. When me and you are out, I'm exploring, trying to look for wood whilst Mum's here chillaxing, just talking on the radio, saying, I'm a Bobby girl in the Bobby world. Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg. We got 2 walkie-talkies in here. We got this one over here too. We're trying to get these walkie-talkies out. Let's do the packaging. Unwrap the packaging. Put the packaging back in the box. Then we'll try and get the packaging. Got the packaging. Putting the packaging back in the box. 2 perfectly good walkie-talkies. So at the moment, Dad is going to be outside. So I'm going to get him outside. And then the one I'm going to use is base camp at the moment. But tomorrow, Dad, is there batteries?
What?
Did you bring walkie-talkie batteries?
No, I think Mum is. I'm not sure. We've got some. I don't know if I packed everything or no.
Yeah, probably. I hope that, I could just end the video right now and check and ask Mum if she brought any of my walkie-talkie batteries. If she, alright.
Leave her alone, she's at work.
I know.
She'll phone you when she's done.
Okay. We're having a campfire today. Let's drink some of my kid wine. Dad,
Yep.
do you want a drink?
In a minute.
Alright. Then I am gonna sit and chill. Oh crap. Yeah. Perfect seating, guys. I'm kind of cute today, aren't I? I'm just joking. I mean, my girlfriend thinks I'm good. My girlfriend. Oops. Yeah, she actually just thinks I'm cute though. Peace, and so do I. Nice move to you guys. Of course. Why is the woman here? Or oh yeah, she's freaking sweat. I was gonna get you a drink, Dad.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Oh, guess not, though.
No, I forgot, thanks. There's a waggy dog.
Look at that tail.
Breaks his tail and shot.
Really?
The dog's ass.
Still. Oh, my dad's so funny. That was so random. Oh, my dad's so funny. What the hell? That is so random. Alright, let's go for a little. Let's walk outside. Gotta show you the beauties of a new and improved shit. We got the beer drinker.
Get yourself a chair.
I don't want a chair, I'm sitting indoors.
Stowfoot Press cider.
Huh?
There's an advert for Stowfoot Press cider.
Yeah. Do, 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 do.
It's not that good.
From the man himself, Stowfoot, aka Dave.
Get a bit closer.
Alright, let's go. I'm just showing the viewers each bit. I'm not going to show them the pond little, but...
Look,
Huh? The pond.
the pond,
Not that bit.
the lake.
Yeah.
The lake's not a pond.
I know, I'm showing them the lake, but I'm going to show them the pond when we're going to set up the trap.
Right.
You forget we're setting up the trap tonight.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it now so you can sit and
I'm
chill?
doing this.
Huh. Nope. I'll show you the rope, boys. I went down here, I got karma. Look at that. The winds are making the lake move. The winds. So that is pure. You can see at the lake past those trees. It's perfectly fine, wholesome. Look. Perfectly fine, beautiful lake. You can probably see a fish if you go down that side. But at the moment, we are just trying to get some wood. Well, Dad, I guess I'm going to do the wood bit.
Right, we go for a drive.
Are we? Why in the drive? Why drive?
We need to go to the shop and buy something.
Like a fishing rod.
No, not like a fishing rod.
Probably a fishing rod. If there is a fishing rod,
So,
what are we buying?
we are buying an electric cable.
To fit in those holes? What if there's a fishing rod there? What do we do?
If there's a cheap enough chance fishing rod, like a starter rod, then yeah, we'll get one.
Okay. Alright guys, let's get in the car. Get all the stuff down here. Hopping in. Come on now. Forgot about that. Possibly. This is also an advert for this stuff. Fanta. good. Unlike Dad's cider. He's gonna. You guys see? Can you? Yeah, that's good. Or I just have to freaking hold you. Where's dog? Am I freaking staying in the car? Because I hope I'm not. I don't want to stay in the car. I don't want to stay in the car all by myself, all alone. So gonna get some stuff.
Did you hear that?
Huh?
Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, come on.
I heard the bang.
No, you heard the buzzer, but ah, and then flew over, just like Lord of the Rings style. Come on, get in.
No, I did not hear that. I possibly could rewind the footage.
No, you wouldn't.
Told you. Wait, like proper Lord of the Rings.
No, it's just like that eagle squeak.
Oh, that eagle screech. Alright, boys, let's move. I'm gonna record the drive. Lake Shore Drive. Oh, look at this, boys. Ah, look how dark that is. The camera, oh my god, why is that so dark with the camera? Oh, look at this. This is a limestone mine, guys. Oh yeah, there's a creek down there. Got all this limestone.
Best bit.
Yes.
Lovely dark road.
On the camera, it's like dark as hell. Like I can barely see. I can only see public footpath. There we go. Let's look left, boys. See anything? I don't see anything. I don't see anything, do you? Look at that wheat field. Did you just hear that?
What?
Did you just hear those crows?
No, I didn't.
That was proper Lord of the Ringsy too. It kind of looks like dragon scales. We apparently, Mum says this is the scenic route. So we are basically heading the scenic route. Woo! Right, that thing, that church or castle, that's the buzzard that you had talked about. Wahoo! There's a buzzard somewhere up there. Cool. Ah, it's the exact same car as us. Running Lake Shore Drive. There's a boo ba 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 da bee. Ba da ba ba ba. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. How do you think we did that? The chillax mode, boys. Look at me. chopper now, Billy. Get to the chopper. 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 Wait, what? It stops about here. I don't like that though, so let's go back. 90 miles per hour. This is my dog. Back window, the dog should be right behind us, and that's seriously. Little puppy. Oh shoot! Alright guys, I'm just holding on for my dear life. I'm holding on. I hope you guys are holding on to my hand for dear life. Because I will save you!
Come on.
Dog just got whacked in the face by something.
What are you doing? Keep still. What's the matter with you?
Dad, by the way, you are allowed to swear on my thing. I'm fine with it.
I'm not.
Why? I'm saying you're allowed to. So you're not fine with swearing on my stream?
I'm not happy with the fact that I swear around you at all.
I mean, but it makes me have a giggle. It makes me have a giggle though. We are having a 90-degree angle. Going as far as hell. Running about 1619 degrees. Sticking my hand out the window. You might be wondering which window. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus! Alright, move myself up. On my way downtown, walking fast. Don't like this. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Moving backwards. Moving backwards. Moving backwards. Guys, I'll pick the camera up when we get there. Peace. The minivan.
Yay! Nice one. Petrol stations everywhere.
Yeah, blue. Is that you?
Yep.
Oh my god. I caught that on camera too, Dad. Calm down. Home for families. Or home farm and family. Do you see any like fishing shops anywhere?
Yeah, with Mole Valley stores we're at, there's probably a pretty good chance you'll get something here.
Ooh, okay. I'll go keep the camera hidden like it does. You know, shit happens. How perfect is that? A picture of a rake. Do 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 do. Alright.
There
Alright.
you go.
This is gonna be family weekend. We're calling this family weekend. Whenever I'm on holiday with my family, not my friends, I'm gonna call it family weekend. So I'm doing a family weekend. Oh, look at this.
Fun.
There's a kayak, Dad. Look at that
You've
kayak.
got kayak.
Huh?
You've got a kayak.
I know, but this is a better one.
You don't need another kayak.
No, but it's like squishy. Like a bed kayak. Huh? Yeah, those do look good actually, guys. Look at this. Look at these. Look at these. Look at a picture of them. I'm going to take a picture of them for Mum. I have a picture of them. I'm going to go look for some fishing rods, guys. If you can see any fishing rods, let me know. Do a whole scan. Okay, I don't see any fishing rods at the moment. I don't want to get kicked out because you know some of those YouTube videos when you get kicked out. Leaf blower. Oh, this is good. This is good. Documenting. No, just pretend I'm documenting this. That's some good stuff. Dad, look.
Electrical department.
Dad, look. We can get us this for our old, like our actual
Very
home.
expensive.
I know. But remember, our old one is like.
You're a kid and you don't care how much stuff is.
Yeah, that is true.
We're not getting another one. We're done with those.
Yeah, true. We're at a normal fire pit now. Dad, where are you going? You can see the freaking toys. Give it to me. Look up to me, boys. Alright. Your socks are a pain in the ass. Get rid of duct tape. Dad, I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna see if
Okay.
there's any fishing rods. I'm company with my phone. Alright, come on, boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, shit. I have a perfect view of my dad, too, so I'm good. I don't have any good view of my dad anymore. Nice view, though. I think he could be over there somewhere. Just look, there's some fishing rods. Okay. Guys, you can see any fishing rods. I need the fishing rods. Okay. These are the used farming toys. I'm gonna get this from my friend Finn. I don't think you know him, but he's a really good friend. Let me get this way. Oh my god. Look at all these boots, guys. Holy shit. I can't see anyone. Anything? Not my dad. So I'm gonna go back down. Let's go. Let's see if you can see my dad now. You can just see random people. Oh! Sit down. Alright, let's go. Oh, hi Dad. Perfect. Did you find any fishing rods?
I've found one here before. I haven't found fishing rods yet. I'll speak to one of the girls up the end and say, can you tell me where the fishing rods are?
It's absolutely everywhere.
Wait, someone. Excuse me, do you know what the fishing rods are? Wherever there's any.
I don't think we do fishing rods up here, but if there is, they'll be upstairs in the the outdoorsy section.
Alright.
I don't think we do, but go and have a quick look.
Okay. I'm going to check. I don't think she's telling me the truth. They don't do any outdoor bits. Any fishing rod bits. Like,
Sorry?
she said go up, look upstairs. I already looked upstairs.
No, we'll look
In
at
like
that.
the,
We'll go
I
back
mean,
in a minute.
I'm not now, look guys.
Look if they sell cable by the meter. Oh, look, there it is.
Guys, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Peace. I'm gonna pick it up because I need to freaking charge this. Bye.